collections, classics, customs, restorations. This is Crossroads Speed Shop.
It was the dark of the moon on the 6th of June, and the Kenworth pulling logs. Cab over Pete with a reefer on, and a Jimmy hauling hogs. We was headed for Bear on I-10, about a mile out of Shaky Town. I said, Pigpen, this here's a rubber duck, and I'm about to put the hammer down.
Hey, this is Skip, and welcome back to the Crossroad Diecast Speed Shop. On our turntable today, we have a Hot Wheels Highway Hauler. This was first produced back in 1980, and it was modernized back in the 1990s. In 2012, it was retooled and succeeded by the Highway Hauler 2. This is a 2002 Hot Wheels Sideshow casting. It has metal flake black paint and gold 5-spoke Hot Wheels. This casting I chose because it's going to be my entry into the Diecast International Builders Big Rig build for February. So we're going to get it in the shop and take it apart. Well, here's my Highway Hauler that I'm doing, and I want to do it, and even though I think the original was probably wearing enamel, I want to do it in a Retroflame, Spectraflame color, and so I've got it cleaned up. I used some flits, and got that all, all shined up. But now, after I get that done, what I like to do is, and you really need to do, is take some of this Zep degreaser and spray it on there, because you want to just get rid of all the extra particles and stuff, grease or whatever else that might be on the casting. I usually take a toothbrush like this, and I just work around it, trying to get up all the rest of the polish that maybe that's left over after cleaning it up and polishing it, and any leftover stuff. And so I just take it off and I just scrub it really good, like that. And then what I'll do is I'll take it upstairs and wash it with some hot soap and water, and then it'll be all ready for paint. Let's move on. Here I made some decals, flame decals. Basically all I did is I went online, I found a picture, and I sized it to the size of the box, and from there, after I printed it out on some clear decal paper, I then took and sprayed it with 2 mist coats of triple glaze clear from a rattle can, and then I put a couple heavier coats on it, so just to seal in the ink. And then so I've got these on here now, and again, you can just size those right with your computer and go in there and with the image and just say, where it says size the image. So I think that came out pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that. So let's move on. All right, well, we're going to get ready to do our little Highway Hauler. I'm going to do it in Retroflame Red from Second Chance Red Lines. When you're mixing up the paint for that, I like to use these pipettes because that way you can get it really well. They recommend 5-to-1. I often use a 4-to-1 mixture on that, and so I take 4 of these pipettes of the red Retroflame, and then I take a pipette of the hardener, and I mix that to get that. And I think it comes out really good. It comes out really got a nice shine and everything that way. So we got the paint all ready for our little Highway Hauler. All right, well, we've got all the pieces ready for our big rig build. Took in painted the box and put on some flame decals, kind of decorate that up. Thinking about this is a Highway Hauler, so overland private guy, that's out there working independently, and stuff, and what his truck might look like. We detailed the base, repainted it, cleaned it all up, painted the lights and things, put on these nice gold wheels from Sam Ed Wheels, 5 spokes, and painted the cab and the body up with Retroflame Red from Second Chance Red Lines, and as well as cleaned up the the windshield as well. I think that windshield's going to go really great with that. So let's get it put together and see our final reveal. And here's my entry for the Diecast International Builders Summer Rose Big Rig build. You may recall that this truck was a bit play-worn, and it was all black. Granted, it's not a semi-type truck, but it is an overland hauler, and that's actually what it's called. It's called a highway hauler. I got the idea for this build from a picture I had of an older version of the highway hauler. I stripped off the old paint from the body, and I painted it with Retroflame Red from Second Chance Redlines. I soaked the plastic box to remove the Hot Wheels stickers. Then I painted it white, added my own flames that I made with some clear decal paper and my inkjet printer and some clear coat. I then cleared the whole box with Diecast Graveyard's 2K clear. The wheels are gold 5-spokes from Sam Ed Wheels. This is another fun build, and I want to thank the Diecast International builders Ron, Mark, Caleb, and Cole for inviting the Diecast community to join in this special build. Be sure to check out everyone else's builds and watch for the future recap video. And I want to thank all of you, my subscribers, for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and if you aren't a subscriber, subscribe. It's free. And as always, God bless, and thanks for stopping by the show.
Starting to show when I get that itch, Lord, I'm ready to roll. When you see me come and get out of my way, I got a hot little freight, I can't be late. I'm gonna make my destination come a rain or shine. In my suit up, signed up, get you there by sun up, Peterbilt 379.